I use retinols, glycolic acid, and hydroquinone for my melasma, all of which strip my skin of moisture. I have never heard of DeMoff or skin flooding, but after using their products for just 2 days, I can already tell the difference in the suppleness of my skin. I can literally see my skin becoming more glowing and hydrated. I will keep you posted, keep you updated. I'm going to use these products exclusively for the next 2 weeks and let you know what I think. But their 5-step routine, nighttime routine that I'm showing you right now, the Oh My First Serum offers deep hydration. The Wonder Drops EGF Ample is pore care, cell renewal. The Wonder Drops Panthenol 30% is fast barrier boost. And then you lock in all that moisture with the creams Come True Squalene Barrier. And then you have the fine line prevention with the Glow Jojoba Multi Balm. So skin flooding looks like a game changer. I will keep you posted.
One person can change everything, and you have changed everything for me.